Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Notion using two-factor in device management, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Notion using two-factor authentication, first, open your Notion app or navigate to the Notion website. Log in with your email and password. Once logged in, head to the Settings and Members section from the sidebar. In the Settings menu, locate the Security tab. In the Security section, find the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the two-factor authentication setting to enable it. Next, you will need to link an authentication app. Download an authentication app if you don't already have one. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. After installing the app, return to the Notion settings. You will see a QR code displayed on your screen. Open your authentication app and select the option to add a new account. Use the app to scan the QR code from the Notion settings. Once you scan the code, your authentication app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back in Notion to verify the setup. After successfully entering the code, two-factor authentication will be activated. Now, let's discuss device management in Notion. In the same Settings and Members section, find the Device Management tab. Here, you can view all devices currently logged into your Notion account. If you see any devices you do not recognize, click on the respective option to sign them out. To add a new device, simply sign in normally. You may be prompted to enter a verification code from your authentication app. This will ensure that your account remains secure as you access Notion from new devices. Remember to keep your authentication app accessible to avoid login issues. By following these steps, you will have successfully authenticated with Notion using two-factor authentication and managed your devices effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.